Never eat these 3 foods unless you want to take 30 years off your life. Number 1, coffee. Coffee spikes the adrenal glands in your body. Coffee is a poison and will put your liver and organs on overdrive. Number 2, pizza. Pizza is a combination of melted cheese and starch which acts as a glue into your colon and takes days to digest, not to mention the pork pepperoni toppings, which is poison within itself. And number 3, donuts of any kind. If you eat donuts, expect a heart attack coming by the time you reach age 40, cause donuts are one of the worst foods you can eat. I recommend doing a 7-day cellular cleanse of the body by taking sea moss every day. Sea moss will help your colon improve blood flow to your heart, speed up digestion, improve libido, fight hunger cravings, and fix taste buds. Sea moss is truly a game changer. But be careful, many people are selling the fake sea moss. If you want the purest one, get it from Dr. Truth.